Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to build a simple pipeline in AI for You experiments. My name is Martin Welz. First, we switch to the Design Studio and choose Accu Compose to get to the visual editor. And here we see on the left hand the different tools that are available, and on the right hand side we have properties and a list of solutions. In this case we want to build an iris classifier, so we choose the Keras iris model and drop it to the canvas, and we also need a data broker to provide data to our model. So then we connect the two together and we see it's a match. That's great. And now we have our simple pipeline in a basic mode, and as the last step we need to configure the data broker where to get the data. So we click on the S icon of the generic data broker. That will bring us to the configuration dialog, and here we select the type of the data broker, and we see that we can provide data in different formats. In our case we choose CSV file, we choose a file which is already prepared, a CSV file, and in our case the first row contains data, and then we are done. As a last step we could save our pipeline, so we could name it Iris Pipeline version 1.0 and then save it to our solutions.